Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching and welcome back. Starting right off, I'm placing surgical tape alongside my eyes to create a nice, sharp, smoky look. I'm starting with a warm transition shade and I'm placing this in the crease of my eye. I'm blending in windshield and circular motions just to keep it nice and blended. Then I'm placing a darker shade on the outer third of my eye and I'm bringing that in to my crease. Then I'm taking a clean fluffy brush, blending those two colors together. I'm going in just again to darken up those colors. Then I'm placing a nice shimmer shade on my eyelid with my finger. And then I'm also placing that highlight on my brow bone. Then I'm highlighting with my LA Gold Pro concealer in the shade Natural, and I'm just placing this on the highest points of my face, so under my eyes, on my forehead, down my nose, not the tip of my nose, and on my chin. I'm blending it with a beauty sponge, just giving a bit more coverage to the look. Then I'm going in with my eyeliner and I'm just creating a wing. I'm starting off with the tail and then I'm connecting that to my eyelid and then just filling that in as well. And I want to create a nice thick wing. It will just frame the eyes nicely. chin would be, like you would do if you would contour, but just a bit more exaggerated. And then I'm taking that pencil brush again and a darker shade, and I'm just making a more ombre effect, creating a bit more of a darker line to create that gradient. And then you just take a fluffy brush and you blend everything together. You can clean up with your beauty blender if you mess up. Then you take your contour shade and you just blend that in, and make sure you blend into that hollows of your cheeks. Then I'm starting with the nose. I'm just making a circle on my nose, then 2 little lines to the top of my nose, and I'm just filling that in. This will be the nose of the skull. And then I'm just also filling the bottom part in. You want to make the one line long and then the other one. And then I'm just creating little cracks in the nose. Then I'm putting on some silver eyeshadow on my lips. Just taking an angled brush and just lining my lips. And then I'm taking that eyeliner and I'm just making lines down the top and bottom lips. This will mimic the teeth of the skull. And then I'm just putting a lighter powder just to highlight it between those contour or darker shades. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine.